Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we're doing a showdown between two popular web hosting providers, Hostgator and Bluehost. If you're considering either one of these for your website, you've come to the right place. We'll go over how they work, the pros and cons, pricing, features, and ultimately help you decide whether which one might be the best for you. Let's get started. Now, first off, let's start with an introduction to the Hostgator and Bluehost. Both are well-known web hosting companies with years of experience in the industry. Hostgator and Bluehost are actually owned by the same parent company, Endurance International Group, but they're quite different in terms of features and target audience. Both providers offers various types of hosting, including shared hosting, VPS, dedicated server, and WordPress hosting. But their approach to these features, pricing, and performance is a bit different. Let's break it down and see how each one work. Now, first things first, let's go ahead and open up the Hostgator website right here, and once inside, we will then be prompted to the pricing page. From here, the lowest plan that we can go ahead and get is for $2.75 per month. It has 10 websites, 10 gigabytes of SSD storage, chat support, unmetered bandwidth, free domain first year, pro email for free trial, free SSL, and WordPress pre-installed and malware scanning. If we then compare this to the Bluehost website, the lowest pricing or the lowest plan that we can get is around $3 per month. Once again, it has 10 websites, 10 GB of NVMe storage, 100 concurrent visitor, ideal for 40K visitor for month, AI site creation tools, 30-day money-back guarantee, free domain first year, pro email once more, free SSL, free CVN, web application firewall, DDoS protection, and 24/7 chat support. You can go ahead and click on the more features button to see additional information about these plans right here. Now moving forward, you can go ahead and use the control panel for both of this website. Once you're signed up, you'll be able to have access to the control panel. Both Hostgator and Bluehost use Cpanel, which is a friendly user dashboard where you can manage your website, emails, domain, and more. Bluehost does have a slightly more modern interface and a custom dashboard tailored for WordPress users, making it ideal if you're focused on WordPress site. Now, let's compare some of the core features that Hostgator and Bluehost offer. Now, both Hostgator and Bluehost come with a free website builder. Hostgator has its own Gator website builder, which is a quite user-friendly and offers a drag and drop feature. Bluehost, on the other hand, has a smooth integration with WordPress and lets you use popular builders like Elementor if you prefer more design flexibility. Now, if you're a WordPress user, Bluehost has a slight edge. It's officially recommended by WordPress.org, and its plan comes with optimized settings for WordPress hosting. Hostgator also supports WordPress, but it doesn't have the same level of optimization or specialized support as Bluehost. Now for customer support. Both platforms offers 24/7 customer support through chat, phone, and email, but Bluehost support is generally known for being slightly more responsive and helpful for beginners, especially with WordPress related issues. Hostgator also provides solid support, but it may take a bit longer to get specific issues resolved. Now, moving on, let's talk about the pros and cons of each website. Now, let's start with the Hostgator Pros. One of the main advantages of the Hostgator is its affordable pricing. Once again, the lowest pricing for Hostgator is $2.75. Meanwhile, for the Bluehost right here, it's around $3. Hostgator generally offers slightly lower starting prices than Bluehost, making it a great choice if you're tight on budget. Another plus is its user-friendly Gator website builder, which is great if you need to set up a website quickly without too much customization. Now, for the cons of Hostgator, Hostgator doesn't have the same level of WordPress integration as Bluehost, so it may not be the best choice if you're focusing specifically on WordPress. Additionally, while their support is available 24/7, some users report slightly lower response time. Now moving over to Bluehost, one of the big advantage of Bluehost is its deep integration with WordPress. If you're building a WordPress site, Bluehost provides optimized performance and easy one-click installation. Another pro in Bluehost is its user-friendly interface, which is especially useful if you're new to web hosting. Now, the cons for Bluehost is Bluehost renewal rates tend to be a bit higher than HostGator's. So it can become more costly over time. Also, some of the add-ons like certain security features come at additional price, which can add up if you're looking for an all-inclusive plan. Now let's move on to the performance and reliability. Both HostGator and Bluehost offers good uptime around 99.9%, which in the industry standard. HostGator tends to perform slightly better with larger websites due to its slightly better resource allocation. However, Bluehost performance for WordPress sites is a bit better because of its dedicated WordPress optimization. Now, for the pricing comparison, both HostGator and Bluehost have tiered plans, starting from basic shared hosting to VPS and dedicated server. Now for HostGator's shared hosting plans start as low as $275 per month with a 3-year commitment. It's one of the more budget-friendly options, especially for beginners, and they have often discounts and promotion. Meanwhile, for the Bluehost, basic plan starts around $295 per month, but it renews at a higher rate. Bluehost also has a solid set of WordPress specific plans, but keep in mind that the add-ons like domain privacy and certain security are extra. So for the last question, which one should you choose? If you're on a budget and need a flexibility, HostGator might be the better option for you. It's budget friendly, reliable, and offers an easy to use website builder. If you're focused on WordPress and want a beginner-friendly platform, then Bluehost is a great choice, especially with its WordPress optimization and beginner-friendly dashboard. Bluehost's deep integration with WordPress and customer support make it ideal for anyone looking to build and grow a WordPress site. Alright, that's a wrap for our comparison of HostGator and Bluehost. Hopefully this breakdown gives you a clearer idea of which one best fits your needs. If you tried either one, let us know your experience in these comments below. And always, don't forget to hit the like and subscribe button if you found this video helpful. Thanks for watching. We'll see you on the next one.